guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If today is your first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you are subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you.
Who even asked you to talk? No, just wait. Did I ask you to talk?
Is it not our channel?
No, it's not our channel, guys.
It's our YouTube channel.
No. I didn't even ask her to talk before she starts saying hi guys.
I'm sorry.
You should wait. Let me introduce you before you start talking.
I said I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh. Guys, please don't mind this girl, okay? Don't just mind her. She's a special guest. She's my friend. She's my sister.
Thank you.
Baby girl, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, guys, guess what? Today you're going to be doing challenge. I hope you are ready.
Yeah, I'm never ready.
I hope you are ready.
I said yes. I'm ready.
I know why I'm asking. No, I know why I'm asking.
What if Tiaros is involved?
Guys, I know why I'm asking her so that they will not say that I did not ask her. So guys, look at what we are going to be doing today. Today we are going to be doing ×2 spices, ×2 noodles challenge.
Oh,
Just
wow.
take a look at it. ×2 spices, guys. Okay. So here is 5 pack, and here is 1, making it 6. So we are going to be doing it 3 for each person. Of course. Oh yes, 3 for each person, and the first person to finish it, we have the sum of 50 euros. Okay.
What if Tiaros is involved? I'm never ready.
No matter what we take, I must win this challenge, whether the devil like it or not. This challenge, I will be the person to win it. When this money is involved, I've already planned what I'm going to use this money to buy.
Me, I want to use my 50 euro to buy something special for my son.
But you are not winning. You are not going to win. So just cancel that plan out of your mind, because it's not going to happen. Oh yes, it's not going to happen. Just cancel whatever you have in mind with this money, because this money is mine.
Okay.
So guys, this money was donated by 2 of us, 25 for each person, and making it 50. Anyone that wins this challenge, we have the sum of 50 euro. And you are not going to drink water.
Really?
Yes, no water, nothing until you finish everything. And if you quit, you are loser. Yes. So guys, we are just going to get the needles cooked now, and we will let the challenge begin. This girl, I know her, not that I don't know her. The last time she cooked noodles, guys, I could not taste it because it was too spicy. This girl, they eat pepper.
Thank God you know.
But with this one, I know the God I serve will not disappoint me. Okay. I'm going to win this noodle. So guys, let's go. Yes, okay. The cookie has just begun. I hope you not cheat me or put it well. Let me see. Tiri. Okay, so guys, you can see we are just cooking the indomie right now.
This is the spices.
Yeah, that's the spices. Keep all of them. Don't let anyone miss inside.
Okay.
Of course, I will know. If you go and hide one now, because I don't trust this girl. Don't scare you. You are making my see. Say Benin people that they carry last. They are not even started. Now you say you are scared. Okay. Scared of what? Yeah. Yeah, guys, we are about to start.
Are you ready?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, let's start.
We are about to start the challenge.
Oh my God. You have not started eating. You are shouting.
Jesus, what is this? It's like newborn baby shit.
Hey.
Sorry. But now if I look like now, what is this? Look at the way it's dark. I've not eaten this kind of thing in my life before. God.
I think it's Ashento.
What is Ashento?
You don't know Ashento?
Don't know Ashento. Jesus.
Do you mean it?
Don't
I
know
thought you work in restaurants. How come you don't know Ashento?
I don't know it though.
Don't worry. I think I have it here. I'll come out.
Help me with. Jesus. Even the smell alone. Let me see.
It looks
Is it the same with you?
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Hey. Jesus. How did it taste look like?
Joy.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, look at my Indomie. Wow.
Jesus. Yeah. Are you sure you poured the whole pepper? This girl, don't cheat me. I don't trust you.
1, 2.
I don't trust you. Wait, is this one still from me?
Yeah. 3.
What about the rest?
What's all this pepper? I don't know.
All these ones.
I don't know.
What are they called?
I said I don't
Oh,
know.
do you put yours?
Yeah. I put it 3.
Let me see.
1, 2.
So this game, I don't trust you.
3.
It's true. Hey, God. Okay, this one is.
Joe, I think this pepper is too much.
This is the third one.
Joe,
I don't know. I don't know.
The pepper is too much.
You are not even started. You are saying I think the pepper is too much. You were making my sin say Benin people this, Benin people that. I tell you, some people they never carry last. Look at all the pepper. Jesus.
I think someone wants to help me.
Who will help you?
Nicholas.
Guys,
look at my Indomie.
Jesus.
Bella perfume, man. See?
Jesus. Jesus.
Oh yeah.
But I'm not afraid.
Me, I want to start it.
Wait now.
Why will I wait?
You will wait for me now. After you win now, you will say you win. We have to start together.
Really? The thing is so red. Where is it red?
You go and ask the producers. I'm not the one that produced the Indomie. But are you afraid? Why are you asking the thing is so red?
I don't know.
Are you afraid?
No, not if I'm afraid. I'm just asking.
Guys, take a look.
I think my own is much.
Why is it much? You are the one that cook it. Don't lie here. Your own is no more. You are the one that cook it. So if your own is much, it's your fault. Guys, look at it. Oh, I hope you are ready. Oh yes, I know Asian people know they carry last now. So we are just going to put time now. When the time starts, the challenge begin. Okay,
John, my money
just started now.
Hey, give me my money.
Look at the money here. No, leave it here. Leave it here. You are not one yet. Leave the money there. So the time have just begun. So
I'm just laughing.
Let the challenge begin now. Jesus.
Pepe.
Jesus. Holy Mary.
The pepper is too much.
Baby, I know even taste one spoon. You said Benin people. They carry last.
Yeah, they scratch me. Toby, do you want to test it? Yeah, I think someone wants to help me.
Please leave me.
It's like I want to drink water. Do you need water? Daddy, you want to help me? Mommy,
guys. Give me some. Give me some. Give me some.
Another one.
Give me.
Hey, Daddy, what? Hey. I think Nicholas wants to eat. Wait, let me carry him.
Oh, Jesus. Jesus. Oh, Almighty Jehovah. Father, I call upon your name. Please come and save your daughter. Come and save me for the hands of this evil friend. Guys, this is not a joke. Oh. This is not a joke. Babe, drink water now. Drink water. Drink water now.
Thank you. Thank you. After eating, I'll go and drink milk. Daddy, Auntie want to kill your mom.
Hey, this 50 €. No, cannot go like that. I have to watch.
Don't kill yourself because of 50 €.
Why then you quit?
Why would I quit?
You quit so that me will win. Look at water on your front. Drink water so that we win.
You have water, so drink water.
Jesus. Only Mary, Mother of God.
Go for us now. Mom, Daddy, you want to help Auntie? Come and help her.
Hey!
To be honest, it's very feverish.
Oh God, I cannot bear this so. I cannot bear this.
Pedoga in the building.
Guys, sorry, I cannot bear this. I think even if we fall alone, it's added to my problem. Let me know where the problem
Just look at your grandson. Just look at what he's doing.
Leave me alone. Let me know. The time is still going. 4 minutes. Let me know where the problem is coming from.
Just stop.
Baby, you quit now. I beg.
To be honest, the pepper is too much.
Guys, this not a joke, eh? This for real. If you think we are lying, just try this out. Babe, eat now.
I'm eating.
I do people eat now.
I said I'm eating.
Is that why? She was making my say, I do people. We know the carry last. Look, I'm about to finish mine.
Finish it, did.
Look how the plate is still full. Hey, I know this 50 €. We are not saying anything.
That
This
is
50 €.
That's correct, okay? Mommy is working hard for you.
Jesus.
Just eat now. I think my eye is turning me.
You are not saying anything.
Mommy is about to go down.
Jesus. Oh, Jesus.
Daddy.
My tongue. when you stop, the thing will be pepper more. Then if you continue to eat, eh?
Keep on eating.
You know the here and again. You then use 2 spoons.
Yes. Hey, Joe, what's wrong with you?
Hey, leave me alone. Okay, give me more spoon.
Take. Mommy, I want to tell you.
It's okay now.
I need more.
Stand up, go and take.
Am I disturbing you? You think I want to carry you?
Guys, I don't think I can do this again.
You can. Try more, try more.
Guys. Still menu. Just look. Still have a long way to go.
Just stop.
I
can't kill myself. I want to drink water.
Hallelujah. 50 euro. Guys. Can see the way my face is red, but this morning is very useful. I need it. So
I finished 2 cans of water.
Look at, she's the one that did not eat anything. Look at the water in the fridge. Everything's
I don't want to die before my tea.
How the water in the fridge, everything's finished. And she's the one that was making mad. Believe people, hey, this and this. You don't see an each one, they know they carry last. You hear? Oh, yes, sir. We know they carry last anywhere we go. You understand? Next time, you need to respect me. If I'm talking, you should keep quiet. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
When I'm talking, you keep quiet. Because you were making mad before. Say, believe people, now we there here, now we there here. Now you don't see and say, Naisha, now we there here. So, guys, see my Indomie. I almost finished it. Look at her plate is still there. Look at the water in the fridge. There's no more water again. Look, we have to go and buy water now because we don't have water. So she has finished everything, and she did not even eat anything.
I need more water. Please help me with that one.
Take. Don't worry.
Oh,
this is the last water at home. Water we have. You just don't finish everything. When you finish, you go to the supermarket, go and buy water. So guys, here is the end of our video of our channel. Guys, this is really spices. Okay, times 2 spices. So here is the end of our challenge, guys. See you all on our next video. Please, if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload, you will be the first person to be notified. Thank you all. We love you.
Subscribe. Share to your love more.
Drink more water. We love you guys. Bye.